So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can get £50 in cashback when you open a business account with Tide. So this webpage will give you my own unique referral code, which will give you £50 in cashback once you have signed up and spent £100 within the first 30 days. So first things first, jumping straight into it. If you go ahead and click the link in the description, it will take you to this webpage here, where you can then go ahead and set up your new free Tide business account, which will give you a £50 cashback once you've signed up and spent £100 within the first 30 days of the account opening. So once you're on this page here, you just want to click open an account. And then once you're on this page here, you will then just need to select whether if you want to open up as a sole trader or a limited company. So for the example of this video, we'll say registered company. Now, if you have clicked through my affiliate link, you should see this code applied option right at the bottom here. And if you see that, that means that the promotion is locked in and you'll be able to receive it as soon as you've registered an account and completed the following steps. But just in case you don't see it, I'll leave the code on screen and in the description for you. So it is CJGF2F. I'll repeat that again, that is CJGF2F. So if you put that code in, it'll automatically be applied. But anyway, back to opening the account, you'll just need to enter your email address and password. Then once you've entered those details, click next. And then you'll just need to accept the verification code that was sent over to your phone. Then once you've done that, you just need to enter your full name along with your date of birth. Then once you've done that, you just need to go ahead and enter your nationality. So for the example of this video, we're just going to say British. Then once you've entered your nationality, you're just going to need to go ahead and enter your address. So you can use the search bar to go ahead and search for your address. Keep in mind that this is your personal address, not your business one. Then once you've done that, you just need to go ahead and find your company. So you can use the search bar to search for your company on the Companies House register. And then once you've selected your company, you can go ahead and confirm it by selecting next. Then once you've done that, you just need to go ahead and enter your trading information. So that'll be your trading name. And then you'll need to clarify if you'll be trading from your personal address, or if not, you'll just need to enter your business address below as well. Then once you've done that, you just need to go ahead and enter your business category. So for the example of this video, we're going to go with advertising and marketing. Then once you've selected your category, select next again. Then once you've done that, it should pull up all the directors associated with your business. So you just want to go ahead and select yourself. And then after that, you'll be given some terms and conditions. So make sure to give that a read. And if you agree, you can click next. Then once you've done that, it should bring you through to this page here. So you can then go ahead and start downloading Tide. So this is where you want to head over to your mobile and start downloading Tide. Then once you've downloaded Tide, you'll just need to log in with the same details, and you might need to do a verification. So you should be sent an email to accept that verification as well. And then once you've verified your email, it will then pull you through to the Tide app. So you might just need to do some more verifications, such as a phone verification. But once you've done that, it will bring you through to this page here, where you'll then just need to go ahead and verify your identity. So if you click next to get started, you'll then just need to go ahead and choose a document. So that'll either be a driver's license, passport, or residence permit. So for the example of this video, we're going to go with driver's license. So you're just going to need to go ahead and scan that. And then you'll also need to take a selfie just to confirm it's you. Then once you've done that, your ID should be verified. Then once you've verified your ID, you'll just be brought through to this page here, which will run you through all the different Tide packages. So you can go ahead and pick the right one for you. But if you'd prefer, you can also choose standard, which is free. Then once you've done that, you don't need to do anything else, as your account is now in KYC. So you should hear back from Tide to confirm whether if it's been accepted. In most cases, this shouldn't take long, but do allow 48 hours, just in case Tide need any more information. But once you're through KYC, you should now be welcomed with your new business bank account, and it's as simple as that. And in regards to your cashback when you signed up, if you open up the profile section at the top here, click on offers and rewards. You should see your £50 cashback offer right here. So if you go ahead and click it, you'll then be able to track your £50 cashback from here, along with how far along you are. So you need to spend £100 within 30 days. And as soon as you've made one transaction and spent £100 in 30 days, you get your £50 cashback. So it is as simple as that, and you can use this to go ahead and track it. And that is pretty much it. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe as it helps the channel massively. Obviously, if you need to sign up to Tide, I'll leave my referral code on screen, which is CJGF2F. That is CJGF2F. And if you have any questions about the video, feel free to comment them below. And thanks again for watching.